9 out of 10 people around the world breathe polluted air, according to WHO data. Fortunately, taking cars out of city centres is an increasingly widespread trend around the world. In cities like Madrid, 42 hours are lost annually in traffic jams. Let's change this! With the current model, Ossby has opened 58 click-and-collect stores in Spain, as well as having presence in leading retail outlets in Spain such as El Corte Inglés or Mammoth. Furthermore, Ossby has been selected Best Product 2020 by Reviewbox and has collaborated with huge brands like Netflix, Heinz and Taco Bell. We are required to take more risks as well as anticipate trends and competition in our sector by betting on exclusive materials and designs. Look at this! Folds in 1 second. Very lightweight, minimal and wireless design. Cool, right? But we can do it better. For this new era of Ossby, 5 Spanish companies will collaborate with us, making the new development a reality, reducing dependence on foreign markets, logistics costs and balancing spending on stock. We are very happy to announce that Ossby is proudly local, but ready to make a global impact. At Ossby, we have developed a new model that is going to revolutionize the bicycle sector. How? We bet on industrializing our production system using composite for our new frame. We will be the first company in Europe to manufacture a bicycle made from recycled plastic and fibers. Ossby will be more sustainable than ever. Thanks to this innovative material, we will reduce the weight and the cost of our e-bike to make it one of the lightest and affordable in the market. Moreover, we have been able to improve our design, allowing us to place the battery inside the frame. By increasing slightly the wheel size, we have achieved a more comfortable ride. All this without modifying our patented folding system and maintaining our minimalist and unique design. Ossby, new cities, new ideas.